All right, the drink we're about to make is called Sloppy Joe's Cocktail. This is one of a few different versions out there. All right, we're going to start off by putting some water and ice in a martini glass. Let that chill while you're making your drink, okay? All right, put some ice in a glass and measure out 3/4 of an ounce of light rum and 3/4 of an ounce of dry vermouth. And next we will add 1/4 of a teaspoon of triple sec and 1/4 of a teaspoon of grenadine. Next we'll add the juice of 1 lime. Got our lime juice here. Go ahead and squeeze that in. And let's get our shaker and shake it up. Get it really cold since we're going to be serving it without ice. Pour out your ice water and strain it in. Okay, that's all there is to it. Bottoms up.